Looking at the next MCQ, we see that a line with point 1 is perpendicular to line with slope minus 3 over 4. We have to find the equation. अब हम अपने लिए काम आसान करते हैं. We have to find a perpendicular line to the line with slope minus 3 by 4. So हम बस minus 3 by 4 का perpendicular वो लेते हैं gradient. So that will be equal to 4 over 3. हमने पहली इक्वेशन चेक की, उसका आ रहा है 3 over 4, that means it cannot be the equation. दूसरी का भी 3 over 4 आ रहा है, तो it cannot be the equation. And then तीसरी का हमारे पास 4 by 3 आ रहा है. As earlier stated, m1 is equal to minus 1 over m1. इस तरह काम करती है हमारे पास जब आती हैं हमारे पास perpendicular lines. So we can see that option C is the perpendicular line and it is the correct answer. We don't have to focus on the point 1 because हमारे पास उसके बगैर ही question solve हो रहा है. Secondly, हमारे पास कहा गया कि product of slope of two perpendicular lines क्या होता है. Again, this is related to the last MCQ. We know कि m1, if it is perpendicular, then the other slope will be minus 1 over m1. So m1 into minus 1 over m1 will be equal to minus 1, and option C is the correct answer.